So I woke up to this. This is why I'm out here. Escape the rain. I'm feeling raindrops on me now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my continental breakfast.
Well, breakfast was at the Cerebella. And look what I got. I'm gonna need that breakfast to get me through the day. Clouds look really bad, but we'll hit the road. I found a meat market for jerky. Then we'll hit some artsy place, and then we'll meet up with some friends of mine from my hometown. Then we'll see what other kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. So we made it to Daddy Jim's Meat Market. I found it online on Yelp, and it had some really good reviews. Let's take a look at the inside. There's all the meats, a lot of sausage, steaks, hamburgers. Uh-oh, watch out for those instruments. But he did have a lot of neat taxidermy up there.
Where are you from? I'm from Lake Jackson, which is about...
And he did sell a big line of condiments.
Got more beef jerky. I don't know how famous it really is, but let's try it out real quick. Here's a little mini unbagging for you. Oh, by the way, I tried out some of that Zook's beef jerky last night. It was great, yeah. All right, here it is. Oh, man. Let's see if I can pull something from the bottom here. Oh, God, this is to die for. This is good. Let me stick this in the cooler real quick. This is good. So I kind of plan on having like a beef jerky video, taste test type of thing. Stay tuned for that whenever that happens. Oh, by the way, we're gonna hit another place in Kerville. We'll hang out in Kerville, like I said, and I'm gonna give you some hints. It's made of stone, and it has some hinges to it. I'll leave it at that.
So folks, look for the point. It's just right off the river road that runs along the Guadalupe, and there you'll see well, one of these Easter Island guys to greet you. And of course in the background is Stonehenge. And here's a little kiosk that explains more about Stonehenge. Okay, we're at Stonehenge 2 in Ingram, Texas. This place used to be on a ranch in Hunt, Texas, but the owners of the ranch, they passed away. They were trying to sell the ranch, but they couldn't because these structures of the replication of Stonehenge was on their ranch. And so the Art Foundation of Kerville took it over and you know, placed it on their property. And then when the new owners came around, they thought, hey, this was a neat idea. I wish we had known. We would have kept it. But, you know, that's just what the real estate people said. So I'm in the center of the replicated Stonehenge. Now, it's not really made of real rock, and there's no real hinges on anything. But it's just one of these funny things that
in
Texas.
Let's go inside, because there is a really nice gift store.
Now, they did have a really nice gift shop inside, plus other rooms in there for,
and
other
inside the
exhibits.
building there are other art exhibits also.
Well, do you see what I see?
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour of Stonehenge in Ingram, Texas. Ingram is actually on the west side of Kerrville. I have some friends who live in Ingram, and they have a special shop. We're going to go visit them. That's Jack and Jennifer Hudson, and they have a furniture shop, and I'll show you what they do. I forgot about a little mini unbagging. I'm sure most of y'all can figure this out by now. Another Stonehenge refrigerator magnet for the refrigerator, of course. So let's head on out. Made it to Mr. Jack Hudson's Quality Patio Furniture. It's just off the River Road. They had a neat little whimsical outdoor office. Let's take a look at the inside. Pretty cool. Nice way to get out of the heat. And here's just a little panorama of their outdoor furniture. They have some of it under a brand new constructed pavilion. This is their woodshed and their workshop. And there's Jack and Jennifer. Now, Jennifer's a rock hound too, so you'll see a bunch of cool rocks and crystals around their house. And I got to meet Marley. She was a rescue dog from our area after Hurricane Harvey. Well, that was a nice visit with Jack and Jennifer, family friends from Lake Jackson. I'm just winging it here, guys, so I think we'll go get back to Kerrville and then head north on Highway 16 to Fredericksburg, Texas. And by that time, it might be lunchtime. If it's not too hot, maybe we'll go to Enchanted Rock and climb that mountain. I don't know. We'll see when we get there, okay? I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.